Hey guys, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Sennheiser Momentum 4 headphones. So for this specific process, it doesn't matter if the headphones are on or off. In this case, they are on. Let me get it to focus up here better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold the power button for roughly 20 seconds. You're going to want to keep holding it until this lights up red. Once this lights up red, you'll release the button and the middle light or the middle dot should glow an amber light, and that's when you know that it has performed a factory reset and the headphones should go back into pairing mode. So we're going to press and hold the button. Keep holding. Right there, let go. Now the headphones have performed the factory reset and they are in pairing mode. So if you do not have these connected to the Sennheiser app, or you're just not able to get the app or have these connected to it and you want to do a factory reset, that's all you need to do.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.